Hello my friends, I'm Handy Mustafa, an architect from Egypt, and I will be your instructor in this course, where we will learn how to use the leader in online 3D modeling and slicing software, SelfCAD. With this software, you can model, sculpt, print, anywhere, anytime, online without any download, using the features of SelfCAD, which are 1. Printing, 2. Generators, which make you able to create complicated objects, 3. Drawing, 4. Sculpting, 5. Object libraries and ready printable objects included in SelfCAD, 6. Macros, which help you in many automated drawing, transformation, and copying. Also, SelfCAD allows you to work with My Mini Factory, which is an online store of more than 30,000 printable 3D models. In our course, we will learn how to create many printable 3D projects and models online using SelfCAD software. We will create Lego models, sculptures, necklaces, bookends, vases, and many more projects. So, to start using SelfCAD, go to www.selfcad.com and create an account. SelfCAD gives you a 1-month trial account of free full access to use all of the elements of the software. To create an account, go to the top of the page and click Register. Insert your first name, last name, username, email, and your password. Accept terms and click Register. You have to click the verification link sent in your email. Check your email and click on the link sent to you. Now, you can start your free trial. After registering, press Launch Editor to start using SelfCAD. Now, SelfCAD is starting up. Please wait for the loading process to be completed. Welcome to SelfCAD User Interface, which will be our subject in the next lecture, where we will explain SelfCAD interface and main sections of it. See you in the next lecture.